What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It currently is 6:58 p.m. I just got out of work like an hour ago, but I'm gonna be meeting up with my cousin Brian with the Q50, as you guys seen in the last couple of videos I posted. And we're going to be installing a new grill he says that he bought. I believe he still has the chrome one right now from factory. I'm not too sure if it's gloss black or if it's wrapped, or I don't know honestly. But we're gonna go do this install and it should be pretty cool. So we decided to meet up at my dad's house just because the garage is a little bit bigger. I was gonna tell him to come to my house, but it's a little bit crowded in here. Actually, for the next video, guys, I have a special thing coming in for the Type RA, so stay tuned. I feel like the part that's coming in, it's like a must-do for like an STI or even a WRX in my opinion. But that's gonna be a whole separate video, guys, so stay tuned for that. All right, guys, this is the car. This is the grill, factory, chrome. And let me give you guys a side profile look. This thing's actually super clean. It's lower than everything on springs. I'll tell him to get T37s, but he didn't want to. Everybody tell him in the comments down below to get T37s. I think it'll look way better. But you guys ready for the new grill? He was actually just telling me that this is not like a wrap. As you guys typically see, this is like an actual carbon fiber overlay. I think it looks pretty sick. And here you guys go. So yeah, guys, this is the piece we're gonna be installing on this car. Let me give you guys a good picture of how this looks. And now with this one on, I think it'll look pretty sick. Yeah, for sure. I'm not gonna videotape the whole process on how to do this procedure, but I'll give you guys like the gist of it. It shouldn't be too hard, honestly. But there's an old girl over there. Actually might just uncover her for this video. I think it'll look pretty cool. Sheesh. All right, guys, so what we're gonna try to do right now is hopefully by taking these clips off, this piece comes out, and then we can just shove that thing out and then just put the other one in. Too dusty?
Now we just need lighting. See how far are we?
This thing's actually kind of dirty, bud.
Leave me alone, dude. Yeah, it has plastic over it. So, oh, these are my.
What is this?
I need to replace my filters. What?
Got an oil leak, bud.
I do. I don't know. Should I go cars?
Doesn't this look?
I thought this was an Acura, dude.
What the hell?
Fuck my life. What did the dealership send me?
All right, guys. We're having a little bit of difficulty taking this bumper off. Unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to just pop that thing off, so we're gonna have to take the whole bumper off. But in the meantime, while he does that, I'm gonna show you guys the inside. This guy's rocking the blue lights. Sheesh. Oh yeah, energy drinks. What? All right, guys, we got it off. We did it the getaway. We did not take off the bumper. We just took off these, kind of pulled it back, and yep, it came off. Now we're just gonna slap that one back on, and it should be good to go. All right, guys, we finally got it fully installed. Here, let me close the hood. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you the first look of the new front grille. 1, 2, 3. It turned out to be a 3-hour job instead of a 30-minute, but 3 guys. And 3 guys, yeah. Freaking Brian. But we got it done. It looks a lot better for sure. Now he just needs to get a new lip, upgraded lights, big turbo. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Anyways, we're gonna end this video with a little warm start.